Hi, welcome to 9K Tech.
Hey there, let me introduce you to the DJI Flip, one of the most compact and powerful drones in DJI's lineup. First off, it's super lightweight at just 249 grams, making it perfect for travel. When fully unfolded, it measures 79 millimeters in height, 233 millimeters in width, and 280 millimeters in thickness, giving it a sturdy yet portable design. Now, in terms of environmental durability, it operates smoothly between -10 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. However, it's not officially rated for dust or water resistance, so better keep it away from rain and sand. Flight-wise, the DJI Flip is impressive. It can stay in the air for up to 31 minutes, cover distances up to 14 kilometers, and hit speeds of 16 meters per second. You also get all the smart flight modes you'd expect, like Droney, Rocket, and Boomerang. And of course, it features Return to Home, RTH, for added safety. On the camera side, it boasts a 48-megapixel main sensor with a field of view of 82.1 degrees, supports RAW photo capture, and records in 4K at up to 60 frames per second, with a maximum bitrate of 150 megabits per second. It handles low light well too, with an ISO range up to 6,400. Under the hood, it's built with a CMOS sensor, supports 24p cinema mode, and includes burst shooting capabilities. There's no FPV camera though. This drone is more about cinematic capture than racing. As for battery, it packs a 3,110 mAh removable battery, though DJI hasn't specified the exact charging time yet. You also get 2 gigabytes of internal storage, plus support for micro SDXC cards for expanded memory. Sensor-wise, it's loaded. GPS, gyroscope, compass, and accelerometer are all on board. And yes, you can control it remotely with your smartphone. So overall, the DJI Flip is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a lightweight, feature-rich drone with solid performance and top-tier camera capabilities.